What is the difference between a business analyst and a project manager? Based on my years of experience leading real projects and mentoring professionals, I'll break it down today. Their responsibilities, their skills, their salaries, and how they actually work together on a real project. I'll also show you how you can decide which of these roles will suit you best, and if you're planning to pivot into one of these roles, this video is definitely for you. If you're new here, my name is Ibiyemi. I'm a senior business analyst and a career coach. On this channel, I talk about high-paying tech roles and I help people to understand how to break into them through clarity, mentorship, and hands-on experience. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's get into what I have to discuss today. Let's start with the responsibilities. As a business analyst, you focus on understanding the needs of the business. You translate them into clear requirements. You connect the dots between the business, the end users, and the technical people. Think of them as interpreters. They listen, they analyze, they document, and they make sure everyone is aligned on what needs to be built, improved. They perform analysis, they create process maps, recommend solutions, and they manage stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. Their main goal is to make sure that value is delivered by ensuring the solution actually meets the business need. That's why benefit realization is a key requirement on job descriptions. Now, on the other side is a project manager. It focuses on execution and delivery. Their role is to make sure that once a solution is agreed, it is delivered within the time, the scope, and the budget. They manage the timelines, the risk, the budget, the dependencies, and the people. You can think of them as drivers of the project, ensuring that things actually get done. So the business analyst would normally ask what and why, and the project manager, they focus on how and when. That is the most important way you can know how to differentiate them. Now, how do they actually work together? From my experience, these two roles work hand in hand on nearly every project. The business analyst, like I said previously, they gather the requirements, they document the scope, they define what success would look like. The project manager will build a delivery plan around everything that the BA has done, allocate the resources, set the timelines, and track the progress. For example, I once worked on a large system implementation project. The business analyst and the project manager, the roles were constantly overlapping. I gathered requirements, I clarified user stories, I facilitated workshops. The project manager, he coordinated the sprints, handled the risk, managed the delivery schedule. Together, we were the bridge between the business and the delivery team. One focusing on clarity, the other on completion. Now, if you're serious about making this transition, you don't have to do it alone. My project management and business analysis bootcamp starts on the 24th of January. It's a 16 weeks hands-on experience program. You're trained, you're mentored, and you're placed on a real project to build experience that actually stands out. We'll walk you through the tools, the frameworks, the delivery practices that employers actually use, from Jira to Lucidchart to user acceptance testing to planning, so that you're ready for your next role. If that sounds like you, check the description because this is something that you don't want to miss out. Remember, the difference between where you are and where you want to be is clarity, consistency, and courage. Now let's move over to the skills so that we can work out the differences. This is where people actually get confused. A business analyst needs strong analytical and communication skills. In fact, that's why I give Microsoft Excel for free within my bootcamp. You should be able to ask the right questions, write clear documentation, use tools like Jira, Confluence, Visio, Lucidchart, Miro, map out business processes. You're expected to understand the domain. If it's finance, healthcare, education, tech, translate these problems into solutions. A project manager, on the other hand, you need strong communication skills, facilitation, leadership. You must master planning and coordination. Tools like MS Project, Basecamp, Asana, Trello, managing tasks, managing risk and dependencies. You must be skilled at managing and motivating people, handling conflicts, and keeping everyone focused on the outcome. In short, business analysts understand and defines the problem. Project managers deliver the solution effectively. Both roles require empathy, organization, and the ability to work with people across all levels. Next up is the technical skills for each of the roles. Business analysts often work with data but are not data specialists. Excel is good enough, or SQL, basic reporting and visualization tools, your ability to present data in a meaningful manner. Power BI or Tableau is good enough, but you don't even need to go deep dive into them. Project managers, you don't necessarily need to know how to analyze data, but understanding project life cycles, risk management, change control, agile, waterfall methodologies, you should be able to use tools like Jira or Microsoft Azure DevOps. You must understand agile ceremonies to stand out in modern digital environments where agile is really the thing. Now let's talk about the salaries. I want you to know how much you can earn from either of these roles. Now, according to Glassdoor, in the UK and in the US, business analysts typically earn between $45,000 to $70,000, $75,000 to $120,000, depending on the sector or the location. PMs $50K to $90K, or up to $140,000, varying by industry and the complexity. In reality, these salaries overlap heavily. A business analyst leading complex enterprise programs can earn more than a project manager and vice versa. So the key is experience, domain knowledge, that one is gold, and proof of experience and delivery. In consulting or digital transformation projects, both roles are often equally valued. They contribute in different ways. Let's talk about the career progression. If you're starting out, you can enter either by starting as a PM or a BA. I've seen countless professionals start as BAs and then move into project management. What you need is the exposure to delivery. Typical BA career paths can be like junior BA, business analyst, senior BA, lead BA, product owner, or delivery manager. And then PMs can be project coordinator, project manager, senior project manager, program manager, and portfolio manager. Many people combine both roles over time. At senior levels, you could see roles like delivery lead, product manager, product owner, transformation manager, change manager. All of this requires you to have both expertise in some cases. Let's talk about similar roles. There are a lot of other roles that sit between both worlds, like product manager, scrum master, and delivery manager. A product manager focuses on what to build based on the customer needs and market fits. A scrum master supports the agile process, ensuring the team follows ceremonies and removes the blockers. A delivery manager combines project management and business analysis skill sets, ensuring both clarity and execution. So don't limit yourself by title. Understand the responsibilities behind the jobs. Now let's quickly talk about application of both roles in real projects. Let me give you a real example. When I delivered a new digital submission system for a company, the business analyst identified the pain points, gathered students and other requirements, and defined the user stories. The project manager created the delivery roadmap, managed the development sprints, coordinated communication across both teams and stakeholders. The two roles worked together during user acceptance testing, ensuring that what we're building was actually what was required. That is the perfect example of alignment. One focus on value, the other focus on delivery. Which one would you choose? Yes, you. Which one would you choose? Which one do you think is more like you? Do you love problem solving, stakeholder management, documenting requirements? Then BA might be your lane. Do you love planning, driving people? Do you love people generally, leading people to deliver results? Project management might be your lane. Ask yourself, do I enjoy defining the what's or driving the how? Do I like diving into details or seeing the big picture? Do I prefer working with data and processes or with people and outcomes? Your answer would help you decide which path to follow. I generally love problem solving, and that's why I'm a business analyst. Let's talk about the tools you should learn. Are you preparing for either of this path? Then these are the tools that you must get comfortable with. For business analysts, you could start with Jira, Confluence, Miro, Lucidchart, Visio, Balsamiq, Excel, and SQL. for project managers, MS Projects, Asana, Trello, Basecamp, ClickUp, Jira, and other tools. Most of these tools have free trials. Now let's talk about my advice as I wrap up this video. Don't get stuck chasing titles. Focus on mastering transferable skills, communication, critical thinking, stakeholder management, adaptability, because these are the real career accelerators. I've coached people that were carers, admin staff, HR people, nurses, doctors, you don't even want to know. They're all thriving as business analysts, project managers across global organizations. So it's not about your past, it's about where you're going, how you can learn, apply, and deliver. If you're ready to pivot into tech and you want hands-on guidance, my project management and business analysis training is open for enrollment. The next cohort starts in the new year on Saturday, the 24th of January, 2026. Our work experience program for people that have basic knowledge in project management and business analysis and needs just project knowledge, Monday, the 19th of January, 2026. We teach you the tools, guide you through life projects, help you build the confidence to land real jobs. You can join from anywhere in the world, in Nigeria, in UK, in Canada, and beyond. You don't want to miss this opportunity. It's 2026 we're talking about. What a better way to start the year. Enrollment is open and spots are very limited. If you found this video useful and helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, share with someone that is starting a career in tech, and comment below, are you more of a business analyst or a project manager? Let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram and on LinkedIn, Ibiyemi Career Coach on Instagram and TikTok, on LinkedIn, Ibiyemi Fashipe. I share career tips, resources, and remote job updates. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know in the comments, do you think you can do one of these roles? Stay intentional, keep building your career with clarity, and I'll see you in the next video and possibly in the bootcamp. Bye for now.